During a turnaround inspection at one of P66 gas treating facilities in Giddings, Texas, severe corrosion damage was discovered in the main Amine still tower between trays 13 and 18. The damage was caused by Amine attack on the carbon steel shell, previous mitigation attempts. In the past, P66 had relied on weld buildup on an as-needed basis to address the corrosion and maintain minimum thickness requirements. They also applied organic coatings on a 5-year turnaround cycle. However, the organic coating was failing prematurely, and the recurring repairs were proving to be ineffective and costly. Evaluation of alternatives. Several coating options were explored, but none provided guaranteed protection to the vessel. They were either good for the Amine exposure or the temperature, but not both. Following a consultation with the refining side of the business, IGS HVTS high alloy cladding was proposed as a solution due to its excellent performance in the amine units across P66 refineries and additional global references from similar facilities. HVTS solution. Seeking a permanent repair solution, P66 reached out to Integrated Global Services for their high-velocity thermal spray technology. IGS responded quickly, sending a site superintendent to assist with surface preparation, scaffolding requirements, and site support items just 2 days after the initial call. The HVTS application covered 277 square feet and was completed in 5 shifts. The process does not introduce any heat-affected zones, and as a result, does not require post-weld heat treatment, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. Key benefits of the IGS HVTS cladding solution. High temperature resistance. With its ability to withstand high temperatures, the HVTS cladding proved to be an ideal solution for the harsh operating conditions of the amine still. Comprehensive coverage. By cladding the entire damaged surface area of the still, IGS ensured comprehensive protection against corrosion, eliminating the need for spot welding or reapplying organic coatings that were prone to failure. Efficient turnaround execution. IGS's prompt mobilization and efficient project execution ensured that the scope was completed within the planned TAR window, minimizing downtime and associated costs. Result. By choosing HVTS over traditional weld overlay and organics, P66 expects to eliminate the need for recurring repairs in this problem area for the lifetime of the asset. The HVTS solution is a permanent repair, reducing the total cost of ownership and eliminating future maintenance requirements. The successful application of HVTS at the Giddings facility has demonstrated the technology's effectiveness in amine service environments. Conclusion. IGS's rapid response and the successful implementation of HVTS technology has provided P66 with a long-term solution for their amine still corrosion issues. By investing in this advanced repair method, P66 has taken a proactive step in extending the life of their asset, reducing maintenance costs, and minimizing future downtime. Next inspection. IGS will physically enter the vessel during their next shutdown in 5 years and perform visual inspection as well as take thickness readings to compare to the as-applied thickness map to ensure cladding integrity. And that's it for today's episode of the Efficiency and Reliability Podcast. Join us next time as we discuss more case studies.